What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the debut of the 2022 Mercedes-AMG SL, and it has some V8 power, it has all-wheel drive, and it also has a fabric soft top roof. Now, one of the longest running nameplates in the Mercedes portfolio is the SL. It's been around nearly 70 years, and the R232 generation model is finally here, and it represents a great departure of its aging predecessor, as basically everything has changed. Now, from the new platform, you have the new design technology and the posh interior. You really get the new Sport Roadster formula for 2022. Now, serving as a replacement for the GT Roadster as well, the new SL is no longer a Benz branded model, as it will be sold exclusively as an AMG. Now, the styling follows the three-pointed star's latest design language, with a sharper exterior featuring the menacing Panamericana grille with vertical slats flanked by angular headlights similar to those of the CLS. Now, the sleek side profile features pop-out electronic door handles as on the latest S-Class, and by switching from a metal top to a 3-layer fabric roof, the engineers shave off about 46 pounds, 21 kilograms of weight with it. Now, it boasts a heated rear window made of glass, and the top can be folded or raised in 15 seconds at up to speeds of 31 miles per hour, 50 kilometers. Now, making the roof significantly lighter has lowered the center of gravity, which should translate into better handling. And moving at the back, the quad exhaust flanking a diffuser denote what we're dealing with when it comes to high-performance AMG models. Wide taillights give the rear end an imposing look, while the active rear spoiler is neatly integrated into the taillight and comes with no fewer than 6 settings. Now, on the subject of aero, Mercedes will sell the new SL with an optional aerodynamic package with beefier flicks for both bumpers, active aero in the front underbody, and a chunkier rear diffuser. Now, revealed in July, the leather-lined interior and uses the latest MBUX infotainment system, featuring a large portrait-oriented display measuring 11.9 inches. The touchscreen tilts forward inclination of 12 degrees to 32 degrees for ease of use, and is joined by a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster, as well as a head-up display with augmented reality tech. Now, as you would expect from the high-end Mercedes convertible, the Aircar's neck-level heating system has vents built into the front headrest and comes as standard equipment on the new SL. Now, it will be offered with the AMG Performance steering wheel and a choice between standard electronically adjustable AMG Sport seats or the optional AMG Performance seats. Now, the revamped SL will be available in the United States in SL55 and SL63 flavors, with both featuring a twin-turbo V8 engine with 4 liters. Now, the base model offers 469 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, and 516 pound-feet, 700 newton-meters of torque, while the hotter variant has an output of 577 horsepower, 430 kilowatts, and 590 pound-feet, 800 newton-meters of torque. And for the first time ever, the SL is available with all-wheel drive, specifically the 4MATIC Plus setup, with the variable torque distribution and an electronically controlled clutch linking the permanently driven rear axle with the front wheels. Now, the engine's output is channeled to the road via a 9-speed automatic transmission equipped with a launch control function. And optional on the SL55 and the standard SL63, the electronically controlled limited slip differential at the rear increases traction and stability. Now, the Roadster also benefits from the rear wheel steering to reduce the turning circle and to sharpen up its handling. Now, Mercedes-AMG isn't willing to talk about pricing or availability yet, but expect the new Roadster for the 2022 model year. So with that said, top down, top up, what are you thinking about the new AMG SL? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy this video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new Mercedes-AMG SL debut. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch if you want hoodies, if you want long sleeve shirts, if you want coffee mugs, tote bags, everything Ron's Rise is there. And if you use the coupon code SPOOKY for this month of October, you get 25% off your total purchase. Now, check me out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.